Hello friends, I am Akash and welcome to my channel. What we talk about in this video that what is programming language and the generation of programming language. So let's start our video and first of all we will talk about what is programming language. So what is programming language? It is a communication bridge between programmer and a computer. It is useful to create programs that the computer can understand. Means it works like a bridge between a programmer and a computer. It is used to create a programs that computer can understand easily. So what we are talking about now, the generations of programming languages. As you see, the programming languages are broadly classified into five generations. The first one is first generation language, second generation language, third generation language, fourth and fifth generation language. So first of all, we will start with first generation language and we will see what is the first generation language. So, first generation language is also known as machine language. Why we are saying is machine language? Because it have machine codes which is on and off, where on means that one and off means that zero. So coming to the third point, and we are talking about first generation language introduced in 1942 to 1945 nearly. So what a 4 point is, this language contains ones and zeros which is a machine code. What I said that it is a 1 and 0 is a binary form that at that time first generation language only binary forms can be accepted by the computer or machines. So we are moving forward to the next generation which is second generation language. So what is second generation language? It was created or it was introduced in 1950s. It is also known as assembly language. Why I'm saying is assembly language because it have an option of assembler which is known as a translator. You can see the third point. Assembly language uses a assembler. What is an assembler? Is in fourth point, and assembler is a translator. So fifth point is assembler converts. What the work of assembler? The work of assembler is to convert assembly language to machine understandable language. It will also work like a bridge between assembly language to a machine understandable language. So assembler converts or helps the assembly language to convert to the machine understandable language. So moving forward to the third generation language. So what is third generation language? This language is also known as high level language. The another name of this language is high level language. And the second point when we are going, this language contains English-like statement. In this type, there we have a little bit of English-like statements. And in the third point, this language contains even this language contains mathematical symbols also. In a third point, the language contains mathematical symbols. And a fourth one, high-level language uses different type of translators to convert code to machine understandable form. So what is this translator? That translator is be like assembler or anything. More different types of a translator which converts a machine code to human understandable language. Machine understandable language. Sorry. So what are the examples of that? That is a Fortran, Algol, COBOL, C, C++, Java. These are the examples of third generation language, and now we are also using these languages. So this is our third generation language. Now we are moving forward for the fourth generation language, which is fourth generation language is more English like languages. It is like same of third generation language. English languages are there. They are specially useful for accessing the database. Means it is used for only accessing the database. Database means what happened when you are creating a Microsoft file like Excel and the WordPad like that. So what is that? That is a database. It is specially useful for accessing the database. So, what coming to the third point, the fourth generation language can reduce programming effort and time of coding. What happen in a fourth generation language? It will reduce the timing of code. When we are coding, then we don't have to write lot of things on that. We don't have to write lot of stuff. So we have just only have to do 4 to 5 lines of code that will be very helpful for a programmer to write. So this is fourth generation language, and the examples of these languages are SQL, which is known as structured query language, SAS, Congress, PHP, etc. Now let's see what is fifth generation language. So fifth generation language was introduced in nearby 1980. In second point, in this language, the software automatically generates the third generational code. What we have learned in third generational code, it will automatically update this software into third generational codes. This language contains graphical symbols and icons. What we have learned in third generation language, that we learned that we have mathematical symbols and English, like here we it also here the graphical symbols and icons are also present. So what's the fourth example, case tools are example of fifth generation language. These tools are example of a preparation language. It is much more important. So thank you for watching my video. The next video is going to be more interested. Please like, subscribe and